Here are the highlights of the events that took place in the month of August. And investiture ceremony on 13th August, where our newly elected student council members took the oath of responsibility. The ceremony included a guard of honor, flag hoisting and pinning of badges, symbolizing leadership and dedication. It was a proud moment for our school to see young leaders ready to shoulder their duties. Our Honorable Principal Mr. B. Mahendra congratulated the newly elected council members and reminded them that leadership is not about power but about responsibility, service and setting the right example. He encouraged the students to be disciplined, sincere and committed towards academics, co-curricular activities and school values. He also highlighted that the Student Council is the true voice of the student community and plays an important role in building a positive school environment. Speaking on behalf of the council, a student representative expressed heartfelt gratitude, saying,
"We are honored to be entrusted with this responsibility. We promise to work hard, uphold the values of the school, and make our teachers and principal proud. Thank you."
Independence Day celebration. On 15th August, the school celebrated Independence Day with great patriotic spirit. The tricolour was hoisted by our esteemed chief guest, Colonel K.C. Rao, followed by the inspiring cultural performances. In his speech, Colonel Rao emphasized the value of discipline, dedication and patriotism in students' lives. He motivated the young generation to uphold the legacy of freedom fighters by being responsible citizens and contributing to the nation's growth. Our respected Prince spoke about the successful implementation of reading comprehension assessment in our school, which has helped students strengthen their reading habits and comprehension skills. His words inspired students to take responsibility for their learning and to grow as confident global citizens. The success of the program was made possible by the dedicated efforts of teachers who guided the students in preparing performances, the enthusiastic participation of students who showcased their talents with pride, and the support of parents who encouraged their children and joined in the celebration. The collective spirit of teachers, students and parents truly made the day memorable. FA2 activity-based exams for primary students. Students of classes 1 to 5 appeared for the FA2 activity-based examination. The assessments were conducted in an interactive and activity-oriented manner to enhance learning through practical experiences. This helped the students showcase their knowledge in a creative way. The teachers designed innovative and skill-based activities to make the exams more engaging. They encourage students to think critically and apply concepts in real-life situations and present their ideas confidently. Teachers also provided guidance and feedback during the process, ensuring that every child not only performed well but also enjoyed the learning experience. Their efforts made the assessment a true blend of knowledge, creativity and application. Green Color Day celebrations. Our little birds of pre-primary celebrated Green Color Day with great enthusiasm and excitement. The classrooms were beautifully decorated with green objects and charts, creating a refreshing atmosphere. Children came dressed in different shades of green, looking like little messengers of nature. Teachers explained the importance of greenery in our environment and how plants keeps us healthy and alive. The little ones also sang rhymes about nature. The celebration not only introduced children to the color green, but also created awareness about the need to protect and preserve nature. It was truly a joyful and meaningful day for our pre-primary kids. Reading Comprehension Assessment. To enhance reading and understanding skills, a reading comprehension assessment was conducted across different grades. Students participated actively and improved their ability to analyze, interpret and comprehend passages effectively. Many students shared their feedback saying that RCA not only improved their reading skills but also helped them build a stronger vocabulary. They felt more confident in using new words in their writing and speaking. One student said,
"RCA helped me to read with proper speed and confidence. Now I pay attention to my vocabulary and it also made it easier for me to understand the passages. It taught me to understand the deeper meaning of the text, not just the words."
The activity was truly successful in encouraging students to become confident readers, better writers and effective communicators. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. To mark the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, a CCA activity was held in the school. Students made eco-friendly Ganesh idols and drew beautiful artworks. On August 26th, the school celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with great devotion and joy. The program began with the installation of Lord Ganesha's idol and Aarti, followed by devotional songs by the students. Teachers also addressed the gathering and explained the importance of festival, highlighting Lord Ganesha as a symbol of wisdom, knowledge and good fortune. The principal encouraged everyone to celebrate the festival in an eco-friendly manner. The event spread the message of devotion, culture and environmental awareness. School extends helping hand to the blind. Our school recently extended a helping hand to the blind people supported by the Soch organization. Students and teachers came together to contribute useful items and offer their support to the cause. This small act of kindness aimed to bring comfort and encouragement to those in need. The students also became more aware of the difficulties faced by the visually impaired and understood the importance of caring for others. The principal appreciated the efforts of the school community and reminded the students that even the small gesture of help can make a big difference in someone's life. The representatives of Soch organization expressed their heartfelt thanks for the support. The initiative truly reflected the values of compassion, empathy and social responsibility. The principal at Lotus National School Nagaram was filled with learning and celebration. From academic assessments to cultural events, our teachers, students and parents together made every activity meaningful and successful. That's all for the month of August at Lotus National School Nagaram. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming months. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.